Unfortunately, with the time frame I had to get these done, I had some issues with the bending, trying to figure that out, but I got it figured out. I got all 6 of these bumpers done. Since I did kind of skip over some of the steps, I will go back. Really all that we missed was the tube bending part of it. So I'm gonna do a little clip of that after this bumper series. That way there's really nothing else. And I'm actually gonna be doing more of these, I believe. So I will probably do the tube bending part on that. That way you guys can kind of understand how it worked and how I designed it. I definitely am not a professional at the designing part of it, but I somehow figured it out and it worked out. The only thing I had to change was how this kicked down. When you kick it down in just straight 90, it ends up back here, so it didn't work out. So I had to come down and go to 110 degrees, I believe it was, off of that, and then put it right there at that corner. It worked out pretty good. There's the fog light brackets. They are the ones that I built, mainly I built for. They were wanting to put work lights up here also, so I actually did a 5/16 slotted hole, so a full 3-inch cube will actually fit here. They're actually going to just put the 2-inch right there, but I did it to where someone could put a full 3-inch, because I know those things are way nicer. It's got the receiver hitch in there. That was a pretty good chore just to put that in there. Yeah, expanded metal in the grill section. I would like to do something different eventually. Maybe get a different company to laser something out instead of what I got there. But yep, they're loaded up right now. I'm gonna take them. 3 of them are going to get painted because the guy's in a hurry to have them. He's not risking the 2 to 3 week lead time on the powder coat. So I am getting ready to drop these off at paint, and then 2 of them are going to powder coat. So all I gotta do is load up these mounts and I'm on my way. But yep, and I do have pictures of it on the truck, so I will include it in this video, that way you guys can see it. But these are what the 2023 Ford Super Duty bumpers look like. They look pretty slick on them.